In this video, I'm gonna show you how to manage maintenance tasks. To reach it, navigate to Maintenance in Sidebar menu. This feature makes the process of repairing broken miners and equipment easy and more effective. You can filter by all activities, top activities, and my activities. All activities will show all the created activities. Top activities will show the activities with higher priority. My activities will show the activities that you are responsible for them. To create a new task, click on Add New Maintenance. In the opening pop-up menu, you can select your target type, Equipment or Global. Equipment type will define a task to be done on an equipment, for example, air conditioning system or network equipment. Global type will define general tasks, for example, dusting or cleaning a section. Maintenance type is divided to two parts. Preventive is for planning and doing periodical tasks, like periodically checking the performance of air conditions or cleaning. Corrective is for solving problems, like fixing a broken fan of a miner. Then choose your desired farm. In the equipment part, choose your desired equipment, which you can create it from the equipment menu that I will describe further. Choose its priority, low, normal, high, critical. Enter the period how often this task should be repeated in days, for example 30. Choose who is responsible for this task. Write the description you want. Click Save. New task is created on the equipment. On the other submenus of maintenance, you can see Equipment page. On this page, you can define the equipments of the mining farm and see a list of defined equipment. To create new equipment, click on Create a new equipment in this page. In the opening pop-up menu, write the name you desire. Choose a farm, section, category, and who is responsible for this task. Maintenance frequency will use in a preventive task created on this equipment. The Categories menu is for better management of equipment. Click on Create a new category in this page. In the opening pop-up menu, write the name you desire. Choose a farm and who is responsible for this task. To create a maintenance task for a miner, you can go to the Devices page and choose a Request Maintenance from the Action menu or from the Schedule Alert page. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.